Are you tired of relying on generic AI assistants that just can't seem to understand your unique needs? Well, I've got some exciting news for you. With the rise of ChatGPT custom GPTs, you can now build your very own AI assistant tailored to your business or personal preferences. In this tutorial, we'll take you through the step-by-step process of creating a custom GPT, and by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the skills to save time and boost productivity. First things first, let's talk about what custom GPTs are. These are essentially custom-built AI models that learn from your specific data and interactions, allowing them to provide more accurate and personalized responses. Think of it like having your own personal assistant, but instead of being limited by a pre-programmed set of instructions, you get to define the rules and preferences. To get started, head over to the ChatGPT website and sign up for an account. Once you're logged in, click on the Create a New Model button and choose the Custom GPT option. Here,